In Katy's heat, even a small AC issue can become a big problem. Fixing it early keeps your home comfortable and avoids expensive breakdowns. Prevent complete system failure and improve energy efficiency. Ignoring small issues can lead to costly repairs. Common signs you need AC repair include warm air from vents and strange noises. The longer you wait, the worse the problem can get. Don't wait for a breakdown. Repair your AC early with Uptown heating. Stay cool and comfortable this summer.